Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the third part of question number first. Again in this part also you have to divide this polynomial with this polynomial. So let's divide. Inside there would be x raised to power 4 minus 5x plus 6. So because here it is x raised to power 4 and after that the x raised to power is 1. So there is no x raised to power 3 and x raised to power 2. So that would be considered as zeros. And after that you have to divide this by this. And this can be written as x square plus 2. These are same thing. So first of all you have to make here x raised to power 4. So you have to multiply with something to x square to make it x raised to power 4. So obviously that would be x square. So x square multiplied by x square is x raised to power 4. But with negative sign. That is that's why only x square multiplied by x square will give positive, because negative is positive. And after that this when multiplied by this will give minus 2x square. And after that you have to subtract. For that you have to change the sign. This positive negative can be cancelled out and this can be copied as it is. After that you can copy minus 5x. Okay, now you have to make 2x square. For that you have to multiply it with something with x square. So obviously there is already x square. So just you have to multiply it with minus 2, because minus 2 multiplied by x square is 2x square, minus is plus. After that this is multiplied by this will give minus, this can be written here, this is minus 4 and this positive 6 is written here. So again you have to subtract. For that you have to change the sign. So this positive negative is cancelled out. This is copied as it is and this positive is 10. Okay, after that this cannot be divided further, because here it is x raised to power 1, and if we multiply x raised to square with 1 it will give x square, not x. So this is smaller than this, so this cannot be divided by this. So further division is not possible. So this would be your remainder and this would be your question for this particular question. Thank you.